Laser vision correction is not an inexpensive procedure, but it is within range of most people with a little planning and a little bit of using the financing that we have available. We have Care Credit, one of the best medical financing programs in the country. We're at one of their highest levels because of the volume that we do. And so we have few patients that are not accepted by Care Credit and find this a very easy, simple way to achieve being able to do this procedure now. Most patients, I want to say for LASIK, it's about $167 a month. Care Credit is a wonderful program because it's so simple and straightforward, and it can be used anywhere from your dentist to your medical to your vet. I'm going, wait a minute, it's a dog. What are you doing with Care Credit here? But my vet uses Care Credit as well.